What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 992 in this white and neon green colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heflux. Heflux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material they use in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of thick winter boots or for sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable pair for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heflux for years now, and to me I find them very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is a New Balance 992 that I picked up a couple weeks ago, but I didn't get around to making a review of these until now. So the style code for this shoe is M992DA, and the color on New Balance's website is white and green, and these retailed for a price of $185 US or 265 Canadian dollars, but I managed to grab these for about 40% off at a local New Balance retailer here in Toronto. And without further ado, let's dive straight into the details and I give you guys a closer look. So on the toe box, the base layer here, this is constructed out of this hot green or neon green colored mesh. We have this hit of reflective silver 3M right above this, and overlaid on either side, we have these turquoise colored nubuck overlays. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have this white colored pigskin suede, which actually runs down the entire length of the shoe. This same white suede covers the eyelets of the sneaker as well as the quarter panel underneath this, and the top two eyelets are done in this hot pink colored TPU, and same with the New Balance N logo underneath, and it's outlined with this reflective silver 3M. Moving downwards, we have more of that neon green colored mesh that we saw earlier on the toe box, and we have another overlay of this turquoise colored nubuck on top. On the lateral side only, we have this 992 branding stamped on this reflective 3M hit, and then wrapping around the bottom of the heel, we have more of that white colored suede. We have this oval shaped cutout which reveals USA branding because of course this shoe is made in USA, and at the very top we have this hit of navy blue colored nubuck. Wrapping around the bottom of the heel, we have this TPU heel clip with New Balance branding done in this hot pink color, and this helps give you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. Moving back to the front of the sneaker, for the laces, these only come with one pair of laces, and they're just your standard flat style New Balance laces in white. Underneath this, the tongue is predominantly constructed out of that same hot green colored mesh, but we have this overlay of suede on the top, and here you'll find New Balance and 992 branding. For the insoles, these come with a well padded foam insole. It's finished with this gray fabric on top, and we have New Balance classic branding stamped on the heel. So the upper of the 992 sits atop this very chunky absorbed foam midsole. The midsole is painted in white on the forefoot and gray on the heel, and they also incorporate Absorb SBS technology, which is more of a gel-like cushioning system, which helps with impact protection and shock absorption, and this is visible on the lateral side of the forefoot with this hot pink colored hit, along with a semi-translucent hit on the lateral side of the heel. And then finally, turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic 992 outsole. So this is constructed out of this black and gray colored rubber, and in the middle we have 992 and New Balance co-branding. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these 992s. And for those wondering about sizing, to me these fit like most of my other New Balance 992s, so I personally prefer to go a half size down to a 9.5. So my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, so that means when I step my foot on a branding device, I'm actually a size 10. But for the New Balance 992, I go down to a 9.5. Just to give you guys a point of comparison, I also wear a 9.5 in other New Balance silhouettes like the 998, the 990 V3, V4, V5, and my 550s that have softer leather, for example the ALDs. And on the other hand, I stick true to size or a size 10 in other New Balance silhouettes like the 997, the 990 V2 because of its more narrow toe box, some made in UK models like the 1500 and the 1530, and the 991, and most of my 2002 Rs as well. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so the 992 is a comfortable shoe in a very well balanced way. If you're looking for a sneaker that's very soft and squishy underfoot, then you might not like these, but if you're looking for a sneaker that has that good balance of cushioning and support, then I think you'll definitely like these. The 992, in my personal opinion, is a shoe I can wear for many hours in a day without feeling any pain or fatigue. And it's a shoe I definitely recommend for people if they're going on vacation, for example, or if they're just going to be walking around for many hours. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so first off, the material quality, I thought it was okay. I'd say that it's pretty average as far as a made in USA New Balance goes. The suede felt pretty decent to the touch, but beyond that, the materials really didn't blow my mind. But from an overall build and craftsmanship standpoint, I thought this pair was pretty solid. I didn't notice any flaws, there were no loose threads or glue stains that were visible, so I thought it was a pretty solid job build-wise. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. With rumors of the 992 being shelved this year and beyond, I figured it might be a good time to stock up on some general release colorways that I'd passed on before. So this is a prime example. I just happened to find these for a great price, but the colorway I think is also very nice as well. It's not a shoe that's gonna have any hype to it, but I like how the loud hits of this neon green and the hot pink complement the otherwise subdued colorway of this shoe. And I think this will be a very nice pair to wear in the summertime. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this New Balance 992 in this white and neon green colorway. What are your overall thoughts on this specific colorway? And are you a fan of the 992 silhouette in general? Do you think it's more of a dad shoe and you're not really feeling that chunky vibe? Either way, let me know down below in the comment section. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram as well at esgo8. Check me out on Twitter at sean.go. and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.